Hey, what's up? Charles, AllCoastLawncare&Pressure Washing. All Coast. 80 signs right here. Go to the Fresh Rinse on YouTube. Mike, he makes these signs, all right? They're not that expensive, okay? And it's awesome advertisement, okay? But anyway, I want to talk to you about downstreaming, okay? So all you need is a basic pressure washer. This preferably a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, all right? Basic water hose, pressure washing hose. Okay, and the reason why I have this on a dolly, y'all, is that way when it gets real cold, like in the winter, I could just roll it off the car. Off the trailer. Okay, I could roll this whole thing off the trailer, a pressure washer off the trailer, and just put it in the garage. Okay, where it's not gonna get like cold and the pump's gonna get ruined. All right. But anyway, 4 gallon per minute pressure washer hose. Hooked up to downstream injectors, hooked up to the whip. Okay, there's a whip. All right. All you do, you just put this inside the 12.5% 5 gallon jug. All right, and you're downstreaming. Okay. For a 2-story house, it usually takes about 5 gallons. For a 1-story house, it could take 3 gallons to 5 gallons. Just depends how dirty it is. Okay. I got my regular bucket here. Okay, I fill it up with water. So after you downstream, you want to downstream 5 gallons of water, okay? Because you need to clean out this downstream injector, right? Right in here, all right, is a spring and a ball, all right? That needs to be rinsed out with 5 gallons of water, okay? Because if not, it's gonna get corroded, and it's gonna get stuck, all right? Anyway, y'all, so that's it right there. 150 feet of water hose, 150 feet of pressure washer hose, extra 50 feet of pressure washer hose right here. 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. That's it, all right? Let me take you to this house we're gonna house wash. All right, y'all, here we go. Already ran 150 feet of water hose to the water spigot, 150 feet of pressure washer hose to the back of the house. 150 feet of pressure washer hose, that's a good length y'all wanna buy. And I always carry an extra 50 feet of pressure washer hose just in case. But hey, y'all, so there's a difference of soft washing and downstreaming, all right? Downstreaming is, I already explained to it at the beginning, I'm putting the little tube inside a bucket of sodium hypochlorite, SH, or also known as bleach, okay? And it's just downstreaming up the pressure washer hose and out the gun. By the time it comes out the gun, it's from a 12.5% strength to a 1.4% strength, okay? Because it's getting diluted with water through that pressure washer hose. So when you downstream, you never mix your SH and water in the bucket, okay? Don't do that, all right? Because you're just going to make it weak, okay? You want it roll hot, so that way when you downstream it, it's already getting diluted with water coming up the pressure washer hose. I hope that makes sense, okay? And look, y'all, I'm not even putting pressure on the house. I'm keeping my distance. I'm just laying the SH on the house, all right, with the pressure washer gun. Yes, I'm using a pressure washer. You're gonna hear people say, "Oh, you shouldn't pressure wash your house. It's gonna damage it." Look, y'all, I'm not damaging the house. I'm keeping my distance. I'm just laying the SH on the house, all right. I'm using a David shooter tip right here. I'm fighting the wind. It was drizzling, raining out there. It was very windy, so the David shooter tip helped me out. But hey, if you have any questions, my number is 910-939-9020. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have on this process of how I'm doing this house wash. Yes, it's a house wash, y'all, with a pressure washer, okay? I am house washing with the pressure washer. All right, you're going to have professionals telling you, you're not house washing. Yes, I am. I'm washing a house, but with a pressure washer. I'm keeping my distance, not putting pressure to the house. I'm just laying the SH on and letting it do the work. Hey, I've been doing this for 3 years, y'all. I'll be happy to answer any questions. You know what I mean? I have 3 years of trial and errors, all right? 3 years of experience of what not to do and what to do. But hey, anyway, y'all, never quit or give up. Hey, there's an excellent side hustle, an extra service to put in your lawn care business. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless, and please like and subscribe. Bye.